Okay, we're going to use this video to give you an up-close look at this Black Forest Hunter Cuckoo clock. And this is a good size antique clock. It measures 2 feet tall from the antlers down here to the bottom of the game bag. So that measurement does not include the weights, the chains, or the pendulum. And this is a nicely carved example. The motif is unusual. It's a very traditional hunter. But if you notice, instead of having the hare and the pheasant or the fox to the left and right of the dial, this example has some ibexes. And you see the detail work in the carving, it's really good. Nice stag at the top. You have some oak leaves. Nice bone hands. Anyway, it's just a beautiful clock. It's running on the wall. And we'll set it off so you can hear it in action. Nice plump wood cuckoo clock. Retains its original paint as well. Now, we specialize in locating Black Forest clocks for clients worldwide. If you're looking to add a quality Black Forest clock to your collection, your home, your restaurant, we can be of help. Our website is blackforestclocks.org, and you can email me directly at justin@blackforestclocks.org.